What's going on, y'all? LBNF Souls here, coming at you with another unboxing. Today I have 3 packages from Travis Scott, 1 from Footlocker, and I have 3 from Jimmy Jazz. So I'll get right into the Jimmy Jazz first. It's not really quite an unboxing, so I got them in store. Size 10.5. Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. Another Jordan 1 from Jimmy Jazz. Another Smoke Gray, dead stock as always. These are size 11. And I have 1 more from Jimmy Jazz, to size 10. Jordan 1, Smoke Gray, dead stock. Box is a little beat up, but we'll deal with it. Alright, now let's get into these. Alright, y'all, here's the first package from Travis Scott. Alright. So I got the Cactus Jack thumbsticks. I'm going to use these, see how good they work. Invoice. I have the Black Bling Travis Scott t-shirt. It's actually fire. I didn't think I was going to like it. On to the next Travis Scott. Use a knife for this one. Here's an invoice. This is the World Tee. Got that for the personal. The Sicko Event Tee. I believe I got this for the personal as well. Now we're going to get into the one from Footlocker. It's Jordan 1. There's the invoice. Size 10.5. Smoke Grays. Dead stock. Leather's actually pretty nice on this pair, not gonna lie. My other pairs are just okay, so leather looks pretty nice on this pair. Might be buying more pairs of these, not really sure what I'm gonna do. And here's the last package from Travis. No invoice in this one. And then here's the World Tee and the brown faded color. Go good with these right here. right together. Royalty, some Travis's. Alright, that's the end of today's unboxing. I should have kind of like a mystery box coming for you guys. I bought, I don't remember how many pairs, so I'll have 2 Home Depot boxes coming soon. I'll unbox those on camera for you guys. And then either before or after that, I'll have the 72 and 10 video coming for you guys. I didn't forget about it. That will be coming soon. Just takes a lot more time than these videos. These I can just open the boxes, show ya, edit it, and then post it. The restoration videos take a little bit longer, just because I do use an indoor setup and then sometimes outdoor when the weather permits it. So I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. LBNF Souls, I'm out.